Have you ever wondered how influencers make money online? Well, today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind their success. Welcome to Digital Dollars Dynasty, where we unlock the secrets of turning your social media presence into a gold mine. Firstly, they understand the power of sponsored content. Take Kylie Jenner, for instance. She's known for her beauty empire, but her savvy use of sponsored posts on Instagram also contributes significantly to her fortune. Companies pay her hefty sums to feature their products in her posts, capitalizing on her massive following. Next, we delve into the world of affiliate marketing, a strategy that PewDiePie has seamlessly integrated into his content. He partners with brands, promoting their products in his videos, and in return, he gets a cut from every sale made through his referral links. Gary Vaynerchuk, on the other hand, has leveraged his influence to create his own products. His line of wines, books, and speaking engagements are all part of his diversified income stream. That's another key to making money online: diversification. But how can you, an aspiring influencer or social media enthusiast, tap into these strategies? The first step is to build an engaged audience. Focus on creating quality content that resonates with your followers. Once you have a loyal fan base, companies will be more likely to invest in sponsored content on your platform. For affiliate marketing, consider partnering with brands that align with your content and audience. Promote products that you genuinely love and believe in. This authenticity will resonate with your followers and make them more likely to make a purchase. As for creating your own products, consider what unique value you can offer. Perhaps you're a fitness enthusiast who can launch a line of workout gear, or a food blogger who can publish a cookbook. Remember, the key to social media alchemy lies in providing value, building an engaged audience, and aligning with brands that resonate with your followers. In conclusion, influencers make their online fortune through sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and creating their own products. They understand the importance of diversifying their income streams and building an engaged audience. They've turned their social media platforms into a goldmine, and with the right strategies, you can too. Stick around for more secrets from the Digital Dollars Dynasty, where we turn social media into gold. Until next time, keep creating, keep engaging, and keep hustling.